sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow.
Tayong dalawa.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us. Dun, 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 dun. Just the two of us. Ganun patay ka sa oven.
Yeah, ang hard na. Ang hard na omelet. Sabi.
Paano kung naging boy ako tas girl? Sheila, baka naging mag-asawa ka.
Ang wapo mo.
Hindi nakawalan.
Ay, nako. Uy, si Yumi rin. Ayan,
Tapos ang
sila.
anak natin lalabas si Lindsay, si
Hi,
Julio, diba?
Hi, guys.
Wala mo tawagan mo. Tawagan mo!
Ito na, wait lang.
Tawagan mo! Tawagan mo!
Sabihin mo yun sa'yo, kung nagkukulo.
Ikaw ang nagkakal sa akin, di ba? Ba't ko sasagutin? Papagunin mo pa akong tumayo. Ayaw niyo wag gusto mag-go. It's alright. Here. Woo! Woo! Ibang level. Third dimension to siya. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear beautiful Marcel.
Ulit. Ito na kayo ata yung mulo.
Seriously.
Sagot kayo mga OT.
Labubu.
Sila yan.
Happy birthday!
Sino yung camera ko? One, two, three.
Nata music.
Music tayo. Saka nila ko lang sila sa friend. Ikaw ang maganda.
Ako, send mo kanina, bakla.
Saan?
To the other world.
Oh, parang wala namang balis.
Ay, check mo yung kay Cleans. Di ba Cleans? Tama ba?
Ito? Sa loob?
Punta kami Criso, yung private.
Sa Facebook.
Oh, hindi. Hindi sa Facebook. Instagram.
Wala o bakla asal.
Sa Facebook nga.
Facebook to.
Hindi. Sa Messenger, darling. Sa Messenger.
Hindi ko yung makikita.
Ayaw nga ba hindi
Oh, di ba? Robot ka eh, robot.
Sorry. For the first time. I'm wrong. Well, parang babak ako dito ah.
Patingin ako. Ay, nasa ba rin?
Akin yung chinelas ko eh. Oh, hindi sa apa ako. All I want for Christmas is you. I want cell phone and rubber shoes. All I want for Christmas is you because I want cell phone and rubber shoes. Want something to drink?
No.
That's all I didn't say.
19.
Ah, pwede na.
No?
In the house, babes, ha? Hindi lang outside the house. You see, Tata Maricel is so old na and your mom, but we don't drink outside.
Always, always.
Inside the house.
Yeah.
You know why? You'll never know.
Ito, sabi nga. Lagi ka lang yan.
Seryoso ka?
Ayun na lang sa'yo ah.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Ba't kasi dyan eh? Oh, yung mga advance, pila na. Right here, to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. When you come back around, the pain in the town you see almost over you. Nainita na ka. Ice please. It's off. I feel happy. It's turning apart. I'm not sure now. Forever. Over you. I almost should be blue. So when you come back around, up the